This is something that I started noticing a few weeks ago, okay? And that is a lot of the big trend moves that we're seeing these days, okay, is taking place in the afternoon trading session. And so in this video, folks, we're going to talk about something we've never talked about before, and that is what's it like to trade in the afternoon session as opposed to the morning session. All right, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class, Forex, future stocks, and options. It's all good. What you're also seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary green and red volume indicator color band. A lot of you guys already know how powerful this indicator is. I mean, it's simply spectacular at nailing the starting points of trends before they start. Okay, case in point, look at this here. Okay, so check this out. The indicator turns red here. Okay, it turned red right here on this particular bar. And yes, I suppose if you're an aggressive trader, you can trade the color change. Okay, but me personally, I am a very conservative trader. I do not like to trade the color change. Okay, instead, I like to wait for, yep, you guessed it, stuff like this. I like to see nice, beautiful retracements. These, to me, guys and gals, are probably the highest probability setups you're ever going to see. All right, don't ask me why retracements work. They just work. Okay, and as you can see here, if I spin this forward, this was a really nice early trade during the afternoon session. And yep, you guessed it, it showed up again one more time. Here was another batch of retracements coming in closer to 1 p.m. in the afternoon now. So you see what I'm saying, guys? Have you been noticing this too, man? Because seriously, I have started to notice this just a few weeks ago, and I'm trying to play this to my advantage now. And a lot of you guys know me, right? I hardly ever trade the afternoon session, but I also keep an open mind. I want to go where the action is, right? If there's money to be made in the afternoon session, then you bet your ass I'm going to trade the afternoon session. I mean, look at this thing, right? Nailing two beautiful retracements after lunch today, which is something I've hardly ever seen in years. Look at this next one here, right? Turns green here. 1:52 p.m. Wouldn't you guess it? You get a nice, beautiful retracement right there. That also ends up taking off. So all I can tell you guys is, listen, this is the conclusion that I've reached. All right. Number one, this volume indicator is kicking ass as usual. This thing's been absolutely spectacular in the month of January. And number two, guys and gals, it wouldn't be a bad idea for you to keep an open mind and potentially consider trading the afternoon session, right? Assuming that you already don't do so. Okay, there are a handful of customers of mine that trade, 8 hours, 10 hours a day. They trade both sessions like clockwork, respect. But for me personally, I've only recently started dabbling in the afternoon session. I'm finding some pretty good success with catching these retracements, in the afternoon. Like you can see here, this was an easy 4-to-1 risk reward winner just on this retracement right over here, so yeah, keep an open mind, folks. I wanted to share this video with some interesting conclusions that I've reached from trading the afternoon session. It has really exceeded my expectations. And so for all you guys and gals that are using the vol to crush it in the morning session, take a good look at using the vol to crush it in the afternoon session. You would really be surprised at how powerful these signals are in the afternoon. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.